Okay, good afternoon, students, and we will continue the topic of file handling. In a previous lecture, we discussed about how we can read the file, binary file. So reading in binary file, we have already discussed this. Ishpreet, any doubt in this topic?
नो सर मुझे यही पूछना था कि सर हमने यहाँ पर ये वाला कोड को लिखा है सर कि एक्सेप्ट ई ऑफ एरर ऐसे ऊपर ट्राई वाला सर हम सीधा क्यों नहीं लिखते stu equal to pickle dot load f
बेटा देखो, इन बाइनरी फाइल, इन टेक्स्ट फाइल, होल फाइल रीड एट ए टाइम, ठीक है. So there is no any issue of end of the file. But in the case of binary file, reading is step by step. So that's why we need end of file error exception. It is required. Okay, students.
एंड सर अगर एंड सर जो हमने ऊपर लिखा है सर ट्राई वाला कोड सर हमने वो क्यों लिखा सर हम यहाँ पर सीधे
बेटा
क्यों
देखो,
लिख रहे.
it means if there is no any error, try block will be executed. If there is error, then except block will be executed.
Okay sir.
Okay. Okay, students. We have already discussed how we can read the data from the binary file. Now, next topic is similar to this one. We can search a particular record in binary file. Searching means not getting or displaying all the data, but only the filtered data. So look at here. We read the record. Now we put one condition. If, look at here, stu. So here the fields are at the time of writing the data. There is a binary file 1. Look at here. At the time of writing the data, the fields are roll number. So look at here. So what I am using here, stu roll number. If stu roll number double equal to 2 colon. Now in that case, I want to display the data if the roll number is 2. So look at here, I am running the program. So look at here, filter data. This is called searching. So in place of giving here the static value, I can get the input from the user. Look at here. I take one variable r, int, input, enter the roll number, to be displayed. So user will enter the value that will be saved in R, and then we will compare the R with the roll number. So I am executing this program. So look at here, roll number 3. Look at here, roll number 3 record is here. And suppose record not found, but how you can display this message? So I take one variable here. I take take one variable x is equal to 0, and in case result found, it means display on the screen, and the value of x will be 1. And when the file will be closed, if x double equal to 0, it means print record not found. I'm running the program. So row number 1, data is here. Suppose I enter row number 6, record not found. So this is on you how you can the different programming feature you can apply. So you can apply the logic. So this is all about searching. So look at here. Manavia, it is clear?
Yes.
Sushant.
सर आउटपुट एक बार ही दिखा दो.
Sushant, clear?
हाँ जी सर.
Okay, beta. So note down this coding. So this is all about searching a particular record. So look at here, Google Colab. If you have your email ID in Gmail, so Google have different tools, different number of applications. They are free of cost. So one of the feature of your Google is you can use your Google Gmail ID for accessing different online language editors. Look at here, Google Colab. So because I have already look at here in this email ID, I have already logged in. That's why there is no any type of message. First, I log out. Sign out. So sign in with your Gmail ID. Insert password. So look at here. You will have to, you can create a notebook, just like a collection of programs. So now I'm giving here computer +2, new notebook. Okay, students, look at here. X is equal to 10. Y is equal to 20. Then print X plus Y. So look at here, there is a place button is here. Click on that. Okay, look at here. Answer is 30. So here you can save. You can upload the files from your computer system, your Google Drive, or you can also save the copies, save as. So there are different you can say features available in this. So this is your Python editor, online Python editor. So everything is of your cloud. It is a cloud storage, cloud computing. So every execution is not in your computer system, but in the server. So this is important. If you can assess this, there will be a collection of programs you can create here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आप different बना सकते हो, आप जितनी भी आपने आप इसको प्रोग्राम बनाने हैं यहाँ पे आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. Ishmeet, it is clear?
हाँ जी सर.
Okay, it is Colab. It is of a
Yes.
Google company. Then second, that is very, you can say, it is a software for professionals. Python software for professionals means that they are not using these. You have already installed, that is IDLE. Okay. Now I'm showing another very famous software for the developers. So look at here.
Python.
Yes,
Sir,
madam.
Python.
Yes.
Python.
Yes. Look at here. Good guess. PyCharm. It's a very famous. You can download from the internet free of cost. So here you create the programs. Okay. Look at here. I click on file, click on new. So what type of file you want to create? So there are, it may be offered, there are different type of languages are there. You can create file here. So here you can create Python file or different files. So new file, Python file. So you, after that, give the name of the file, new, give the commands, just like same commands. And after that, after execute, after this, so look at here, you will have to run the program. So look at here, result is here. So this is again a very good, you can say, editor for Python programs. One is Colab, another is which one? Yes, anybody? Name of the software?
PyCharm.
PyCharm. ठीक है, तो ये आप इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. And there is this result, output, and coding in the same screen. ठीक है, there are so many other softwares are there. तो वो Anaconda is there. तो मैं किसी दिन आपको Anaconda की भी एग्जांपल. Yes, बच्चे. Spider is there. ठीक है, so many softwares are there. तो आप इसमें वर्क कर सकते हो और ये आपके लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप हेल्प भी करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई यूज प्रिंट, look at here, it give the, look at here, आपके पास प्रिंट कमांड में क्या क्या होना चाहिए. इफ आई गिव हियर x इज इक्वल टू इनपुट, सो लुक एट हियर, तो साथ में उसकी हेल्प भी है कि आपने किस तरीके से उसको एग्जीक्यूट करना है. हेल्पिंग इज देयर, सो दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इफ आई यूज हियर input, then brackets will be automatically inserted, closing bracket automatically inserted, so that is very important. Otherwise you forget to close the bracket, that is important. Our bracket will be automatically closed. The same thing in the case of a collab. So if you type some command, look at here, I am typing here print, I start the bracket, look at here, closing bracket is always here. And moreover there is a also help. तो किसी भी कमांड के बारे में आपने हेल्प लेनी है तो इट विल गिव द कंप्लीट हेल्प रिगार्डिंग एनी कमांड. So students, you can take you can use these softwares where these are for professionals. You can use it and these are very interesting. Okay students, now we come to our topic. In a sample paper, CBSE sample paper, this question is of 5 marks. We have already discussed one part, that is creating a file. Another part is write a function count rec author in Python that accept the author name as a parameter and count and return number of books by a given author. So I'm going to make this program. Okay students, we are saying make a function. So I am going to make a function. Function name is start with def create file, and after that they are saying it will accept sorry, it is not a create, count rec, it will accept parameter author. So author is a string parameter we will have to pass when we will call the function. So this program is deal with the books, so that's why I am taking here the dictionary name book. We open the file, name of the file is book.dat, and this is in a reading format. Okay. Now after that we take one variable, we use try catch block. After that while, then here book is equal to pickle dot load, and now it is important. Now they are saying, now here this in structure of the table, here is a author. ठीक है, यहाँ पे author एक field है, तो I take here author, and author is a, we will compare this with our parameter. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक parameter receive किया author, तो एग्जैक्टली अगर ऑथर के साथ अगर वो मैच कर गई रिकॉर्ड, तो फर्स्ट हमने क्या करना है, वी विल काउंट एंड रिटर्न। तो हमने काउंट करना है, वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्प्ले। तो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, वी विल increase the value of x. X is equal to x plus 1, and after reading after reading, if the file is closed, then we will display number of books written by that author. So here we will display x. So this is all about the program. But remember one thing, in this case, if we want to do practically, we want to do this program, we will have to call the function, and after that we will have to send one parameter, that is author name. Suppose I'm using here Sumita Arora. But remember one thing, file must be there. In this case, I have I have created one book file, that is book.dat. So now I am executing this program, copying this program in Python. Saving this file. Binary 5 in desktop. After that, I am executing. So error is here. So it should be indentation problem is here. Indentation problem here. So number of books 1, because I have added only one record in the file, that's why number of books is are only 1. That is written by Sumita Arora. Okay, student, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So these programs are from your sample paper, CBSE sample paper. So it is of a 5 marks question. There is another question. So tomorrow I will discuss this question. This is in choice.
सर कोडिंग दिखा दो.
Yes, sir.